Welcome to this video on the 3 levels of membership to Property Build Club, the paid memberships. This video specifically is on Project Mastery, our middle tier and membership, and is for developers doing projects of 200,000 to 1.5 million gross development value. Property Build Club, Project Mastery, the private network for developers and investors. A community that focuses on helping new and existing property developers identify projects and deals, set up and deliver projects, and realise their goals. Developers who realise that the development and construction process is full of pitfalls and black holes where profits can be lost. Using a 3-step tried and tested system which is proven to work, by focusing on key fundamentals, by concentrating on design, cost control, project management, contract management, and contract management, a group where everybody is aligned to the same goal, a successful project, a profitable project, and a happy buyer, tenant, or end user of your property development. A group that's run by me, David Hill, with my 20 years plus of development, design, construction, project management, and contract management experience, and where the group focus is on implementation and collaboration, not content. A group that feels like hanging out with like-minded friends, but with a real profitable results for your development business. Property Build Club Project Mastery. Who is this for? As I mentioned, this community is aimed at developers doing developments around 200k to 1.5 million gross development value. If you want to do projects which are bigger than this, take a look at the other membership levels. This membership is for new and existing developers doing large-scale developments and high-value projects, doing deal sourcing, land sourcing, planning gain, permission gain, house flipping, redevelopment, single houses, custom homes, refurbishments, remodelling, single new builds, multi-semi-detached, duplex or quadplex, flats, apartment buildings, large-scale commercial conversions, commercial planning, permission gain, land remediation, new build residential and housing estates, build to rent, commercial deal sourcing, flipping, commercial build to rent, mixed use developments, or any other type of property development. And we'll take you through a step-by-step system showing you each stage of the development project, and it's all done whilst connecting with a group working towards the similar goal. Here's how it works. Over the next 12 months, together we'll allow you to find and deliver your development project using my proven methods. Number 1, the development project roadmap, and number 2, the development project delivery system. We'll do this using 3 phases. Phase 1, project vision. In this section, we will identify how to find your customer, find your development site, evaluate deals so that you can confidently decide and proceed with your development project. Together, we will not only produce your project vision in this phase, we'll produce your initial business case to establish if your development is profitable, identify the points at which you could exit the development project, and provide cash flow to your development business. You'll get access to a development vision sprint workshop. This will allow you to get a quick start and get crystal clear on the next steps which will carry you to success. Phase 2, project design. Once we've got your project vision, we move on to designing the project. We'll look at how to secure funding for your project, how to obtain control of the site. We will manage the technical design of your project. We'll look at the permissions that are required and how to obtain them, and then we look at the process of procuring the construction works. And finally, we will review your business case to ensure that the figures still stack up. At this point, you'll make a decision as to whether you're moving to phase 3 or you're exiting the development at this point for cash flow. In phase 3, we create and build. With phase 2 complete, we move to delivering the build phase, appointing the contractor, monitoring progress, managing the build contract, managing costs to ensure the profit is maintained, and finally actioning activities to ensure the correct exit from the project. Through all phases, we will follow the way this is done on professionally managed development projects. You will have access to my knowledge and experience, as well as the collective experience of the group. As a Project Mastery member, you will get access to the following. 1. The Development Project Roadmap Training, an overview training taking you through the proven step-by-step process used to find, fund and deliver your development project. Number 2, the Development Project Delivery System Training. We will work together live over Zoom for 9 workshops. Everything will be recorded and you will have unlimited access to the recordings, handouts and templates as long as you're a member. And this is to make sure that we're all on the same knowledge, and it will actually take 9 weeks, not 6. I will go through the following modules. Module 1, the development process. Module 2, project management. Module 3, vision, concept and feasibility. Module 4, business case and funding. Module 5, design and permissions. Module 6, procurement and cost control. Module 7, build and refurbishment. Module 8, contractor management. And Module 9, exit, handover and defects. Third thing you'll get, or number 3, as part of the Project Mastery membership, is a development project workshops. We will workshop every second Thursday to implement the development project roadmap and the development project delivery system training in your project. The fourth thing you get, number 4, office hours, development coaching and mentoring calls. In addition to above, you will have access to the office hours Zoom calls with me every Tuesday at 7 p.m. and Thursday at 3 p.m. London time. This will allow you to get support, clarify next actions and resolve issues. Number 5, you'll get the Property Build Club community. You will not only have access to me, you will have access to the Property Build Club community, a place to share wins, meet like-minded people and collaborate as we all work together towards a goal of a successful development business. How this will help you. Well, this membership will result in you getting direct help on structuring your development project, identifying sites, securing funding, design management, project management, contractor management, and other aspects of running your development project and building your property development business. This will mean you never get stuck, as you have a community, knowledge and experience around you who will help you resolve any issue, support you and allow you to move forward. Well, what's the investment? Your investment for Project Mastery uses a pay-for-profit model that makes it ridiculously easy to get started. Your investment is $1,500 now, and then payments of $1,500 every month. This rate will be grandfathered for life and will not be subject to future price increases. If all you did was find one successful development deal and sold the site on to another developer without developing it yourself, it would be unusual not to make your year's investment back as a finder's fee in just a few months. If you identify, secure and deliver one development, you should be on course to make far in excess of your investment. In property development, mistakes come with large bills. It's highly likely just avoiding mistakes on your project will make you multiples of your investment. Love it or leave it. Project Mastery is a community, not a hostage situation. You can leave at any time. If you leave, you will lose your grandfathered price, and if you rejoin, you will rejoin at the current normal rate. Guarantees and promises. Property development is all about risk management. I will give you the systems, resources and knowledge which I have used on over $250 million worth of development projects. Actually, probably more like $300 million. The systems which will allow you to identify, evaluate, secure funding and manage the design and build process and deliver your development. I will support you through the whole process of the development as long as you are a member and provide you with the benefit of my knowledge and experience. You will have to commit and do the work. I do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee If at any point in the first 30 days you feel for any reason that Property Build Club Project Mastery is not for you, just contact us by sending a message to this address here and tell us you want a refund, and we will give you back your investment. Now, Project Mastery benefits. I'll run through some benefits. You get a blueprint one-to-one call with me to map out your development and get crystal clear on your business model and the type of development which will carry you to success. Dial in your ideal development type and how to identify sites and deliver projects. You'll get the Project Vision Sprint Workshop, a series of 5 workshops delivered online to allow you to quickly get started and develop your project vision and build your development business case. This is designed to get you up and running quickly so that you can start identifying sites and opportunities. Project Mastery Training Library. Every month the Project Mastery group get together and do a short training which is recorded. You'll get access to past and future trainings. The Project Mastery Community Group. If you feel stuck, post in the group and together we'll get you unstuck. We'll also celebrate our wins and have a shoulder to lean on when the poop hits the fan, which invariably it might, but that's what we're trying to avoid. Reduced rate on one-on-one mentorship. You're receiving the weekly office hours calls with me, regular workshops and 24/7 access to the smart community as part of your membership. Beyond that, I do have an option to get my personal help which may be useful. You can apply for access to me inside the development circle, my inner circle of 20 winners building their development businesses. Project Mastery members can join Development Circle at the reduced rate of $5,000 per month or $40,000 one-time fee for 12 months membership. Alternatively, if Project Mastery members want ad hoc advice, one-to-one consultation calls and other engagements are available at 50% off my standard hourly rate of £1,000. These are purchased as a one-time fee in the classroom section of the community. As I mentor on is running a business without emergencies. We focus on important and not urgent. Because we focus on important, it's rare my mentees have fires breaking out all the time. It's all the support you need and more in our calls or community group, but if you do want direct access to the source, then this option may be for you. As I said, the investment is a monthly fee of $1,500 a month, or a one-time fee of $12,000 for 12 months membership. I'm only taking the first 50 members at this price. How do you join? Well, you either join by clicking the button below this video, or if you're watching this video on YouTube or somewhere else, go to www.propertybuildclub.com/project mastery. As I said, I'm only taking 50 members at this price. Any questions? www.propertybuildclub.com/contact. I look forward to meeting you inside Property Build Club. Thank you.